Every morning, an old man sat alone on his balcony. The world moved around him, but his heart stayed still. Since the day his wife passed away, silence had become his only companion. One morning, a small, injured bird landed near his feet. Its wing was broken. It couldn't fly. The man didn't speak. He just brought water and wrapped the tiny bird carefully. Days passed, the bird healed, and something inside the man did too. For the first time in years, he smiled. When the bird finally flew away, it didn't feel like goodbye. It felt like healing.